Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of Parenthood Spotlight. This is our space where once a month we pause and shine a gentle light on parents whose journeys open up new ways of thinking about family, childhood, caregiving, and belonging. Sometimes those stories are joyful, sometimes they are complicated. Often they are both at the same time. Today's guest is someone whose journey I first encountered on Instagram. I remember coming across her posts and feeling something shift in me, a sense of calm, honesty, and intention in the way she speaks about her life and her child. Her name is Kavita, and she is Veda's mother. Through her writing and reflections, Kavita shares glimpses of her family's life, moments of love, vulnerability, advocacy, and everyday parenting. Her journey into motherhood through adoption and her experience parenting a child with Down syndrome opens up conversations that are still so rarely heard in public spaces. Kavita, thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Parenthood.
Thank you.
I'd love to begin with your journey into motherhood. Family has its own story about how it comes into being. Could you tell us a little about the path that led you toward adoption?
Okay, hi. Thank you, Neha, for this beautiful intro. Motherhood. See, my story is very different because motherhood is not something I was chasing. Okay,
Yeah.
it's not something I wanted to be a mother. So, मेरी story शादी से पहले शुरू होती है that when I met my husband, I told him कि I'm not going to be a bio mom.
Hmm.
It's not my thing, and it's not like up on his face. It just came up in a conversation. So he was quite I won't say like negative about it. He's like, okay, we'll talk about this. I'm okay with this. After marriage, we were in US, and it was like how many 5 years already in our marriage. We were traveling, blogging, and vlogging at that time. And suddenly, when we were in US, I came to know about a word called Down syndrome.
Yeah.
um, अभी अब मुझसे पूछा जाए एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कि कैसे ये मेरे माइंड में आया डाउन सिंड्रोम आई थिंक आई मेट समवन अ चाइल्ड विद डाउन सिंड्रोम हर एंड हिज मदर सेड ही हैज डाउन सिंड्रोम देन आई रिसर्च्ड अबाउट डाउन सिंड्रोम and since then I never looked back. I think something changed in me. I'm like, what is down syndrome? Um, why I never saw a child with Down syndrome in India. Maybe it's my problem, right? Maybe I wasn't aware. हो सकता है मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चे देखे हों जिन्हें डाउन सिंड्रोम था या सीपी था, but it's my lack of awareness. And then I talked to my husband about this. He was like, okay, nice. He never reacts like, oh, wow. He's like, okay, nice. So, what is Down syndrome? We never talked about scientific things. We never talked about the diagnosis. We talked about like why these kids are not getting adopted in our country. And luckily, this thought came in my mind why we can't be that parents. We can be that parent, you know. Um, and then we talked about how I never wanted to be a mom. And then we went into adoption. Okay. So story starts here. I was like, हम हमेशा चाहते थे that no bio kid, but if we ever wanted to have kids, we thought like we will go for a child with a girl child, not child with special needs, but a girl child only. And that moment we thought, okay, why not go for a girl child with Down syndrome? This
Wow.
happened after months of research. Okay, guys, it's not like, okay, we thought, and next day, it's like, are we going to? What are we going to? हमारे पेरेंट्स क्या बोलेंगे एंड फैमिली क्या कहेगी एंड हमें तो कुछ पता ही नहीं डाउन सिंड्रोम के बारे में डाउन सिंड्रोम इंडिया में होता भी है कि नहीं वी वर दैट नाइव
Hmm.
राइट सो नाउ आई थिंक इट्स सो फनी क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा शायद इंडिया में डाउन सिंड्रोम होता ही नहीं होगा तभी मुझे नहीं दिखा एंड फॉर दैट माय हस्बैंड टुक टाइम he thought very deeply, okay, pros and cons. And frankly, Neha, um, there was nothing in cons. We
Hmm.
couldn't find a con. कि what will be the biggest disadvantage? हमें नहीं मिला. Pros were we will have a child. Pros were there is already a child. You don't have to bring someone on the earth. Pros were there is already a child without parent. And cons, nothing. Down syndrome was not even a con for us.
Wow.
And then it was tough because we were in US, and then I contacted Kara over the email, and I told them that this is what we are thinking. We want to adopt a child, but we have Indian passport and we are on visa. So
Hmm.
they said you have to come to India for that. You
Hmm.
can't adopt from USA because you guys are on visa, work visa. And then after a few months of deciding, like he was busy in ending his project, we came back. And we came back exactly 9 years ago.
Wow.
And yeah, we filed for our home study. I filed all the paperwork, everything. Our home study was done, and that's how I met Veda.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
But you were so specific, Kavita, that you wanted a girl child with Down
Yes.
syndrome. Like you
Yes.
you manifested Veda into your lives. Is
Or
that
maybe
true?
she did that. I feel like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझ में वो क्वालिटी ही नहीं है कि मैं कुछ डिसाइड कर पाती अपनी लाइफ के लिए. नाउ आई फील earlier I used to say, okay, I adopted her, etc. Now I feel like I was born to be her mom.
Wow.
I feel like that. मे बी मुझे कुछ लेसन्स चाहिए थे, मे बी मुझे एक पर्सपेक्टिव चाहिए था. और आई वॉज ऑलवेज दिस चाइल्ड. आई वॉज नेवर अ टिपिकल चाइल्ड डूइंग टिपिकल थिंग्स. आई वॉज ऑलवेज वे अहेड ऑफ माई एज. लाइक जिस एज में सब लोग सोचते हैं वो जॉब कहाँ करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, मैं ऑलरेडी जॉब कर रही थी. जिस एज में वो सोचते हैं लाइफ पार्टनर का क्या होगा, मेरी ऑलरेडी शादी हो गई थी.
Hmm.
नॉट लव मैरिज बट अरेंज मैरिज. सो आई वॉज ऑलवेज वे अहेड
Hmm.
when it comes to maturity, I would say. So मेरे माइंड में ये कभी नहीं आया कि when people ask me कि how can you love someone who is not born from you, मुझे नहीं पता. I really don't know. मेरे कभी ये feelings नहीं आई, मुझे कभी ये thoughts नहीं आए what wrong can happen. I was really excited. I was
Hmm.
just excited to bring a child home. I
Hmm.
was excited. I don't know. After that, I wasn't because then I met the reality. But I was excited, like कि okay देखा जाएगा यार, डाउन सिंड्रोम ही तो है. I mean, क्या हो गया ऐसा?
Hmm.
Never
Yeah.
occurred.
Yeah. And tell me about the first time you heard about Veda. Not met her, but heard about her.
That's a beautiful story too, because after home study got completed and accepted, you get a mail that your home study is done. Okay, so usually what parents do, they wait for referral. But
Hmm.
what I did, I was scrolling the kids with disability section. There is a section, I'm sure
Yeah.
you're aware, where kids with disabilities are free, legally free to adopt. There is no wait time. I'm like, okay, मैं कब तक रेफरल का वेट करूं? एंड फ्रैंकली एट दैट टाइम मुझे किसी भी अडॉप्टिव पेरेंट के बारे में नहीं पता था. आई वॉज नॉट इन द ग्रुप. सो आई वॉज जस्ट स्क्रोलिंग डाउन and I control forward Down syndrome. Two profiles came. One of them was Veda. And I'm like, okay, she's
Hmm.
cute. Okay, let's read more about it. So there was nothing in her medical profile. It's like, okay, she has Down syndrome, she has trisomy 21. What else? Nothing. She's a happy child. Milestones were not mentioned. I'm like, okay, she looks really, I mean, there was some connection. I contacted the agency that I want to know more about this child. I'm interested. They said that they can't give the information until or unless you accept the profile.
Hmm.
And I'm like, okay, so how? What I have to do? They said, if you accept the profile, you have 19 days to visit the child, 19 or 20 days. So I'm like, okay, nice. And I talked to my husband. Okay, this is the profile. He said, okay, great. We wanted a child with Down syndrome. She has Down syndrome. She looks adorable. Let's go. And I'm sorry. I mean, her picture was very blurry. We were like, I think we were too much
Yeah.
excited. It was totally blurry. And Then I said, okay, we have accepted the child. Next day, I mailed them. Now, please send me her latest profile, her medical profile, and her latest pictures. They send me those pictures in yellow dress.
Hmm.
Okay. She couldn't sit at the age of 16 months. She was 16 months at that time, and she couldn't sit. She couldn't hold her neck. She had no teeth, but she was looking so adorable. I didn't even notice. And I can see they held her up to pose, and she was smiling like this. She still does the same thing. And I'm like, okay, this is it. She's the one. I'm like, okay, she's the one. I sent those pictures to my husband. My husband is like, we have to bring her home. when
Oh.
when are we going to go and meet her? And she was in Bhopal. So they said, you have only 90 days, please come soon. We booked our ticket the next day. Within 2 days we were there. We met her. And yeah, uh, meeting her was a different thing as well. I wasn't prepared what I'm going to do. How, एक वो डर होता है ना कि आपको कैसे पता this is the
Hmm.
one,
Hmm.
because I haven't raised her inside myself. Okay, I don't know what was that feeling, but I am very particular about smell.
Hmm.
And when I first thing I did, I smelled her head,
Hmm.
and oh God, she was the best thing ever happened.
Oh.
Yeah, she was sleeping very, she wasn't in good condition physically, but yeah, we went there, we met her, we stayed there for 2 days, not in the orphanage, but at her hometown. And we were like, okay, yeah, she's the one. And they told us she has milder eye issues. They said mild, but it wasn't, and there was no medical information much. But we were like, yeah, matlab, we know that she has Down syndrome, right?
Yeah.
We were ready that she is going to have heart issues, ear issues, vision issues, or other issues, but we were okay. We never asked for matlab, for any pediatrician or something. We're like, we want to take her home. They said she's legally free. You can take her tomorrow. And that hit us. I think puri journey mein, that was the stop where we were like, what do you mean we can take her tomorrow? Matlab, we haven't informed anyone. Nobody knows in our family we are going to adopt, and you are saying you can take her tomorrow. Then we said, give us 1 week. We will go home. We will prep our home. We will make it kid friendly. Then we will come. Because we had no clothes for her, nothing for her. We had no idea how it works. So, because she came within 45 days of home study.
Wow.
So, we were also not prepared. Like, we
Yeah.
will be parents in 40 days.
Yeah.
So then we came back to Delhi. We packed everything for her. Then we brought her home.
Wow.
Yeah.
And did, like, I don't know how to ask this question, but did Veda realize that now there is there are parents? Like, could you sense that difference in her somehow?
After she came home, or
Yeah.
now after she came home, I can sense, yes. For first few weeks and months, she was a child. um I don't know, I won't say it was fear or she was scared, but she was not comfortable in doing what she does, like
Hmm.
crawling. She wasn't doing anything at all. She was just a baby, but still, she wouldn't cry. She wouldn't throw a tantrum. But after a few weeks, she saw, okay, okay, this is my home.
Yeah.
And we were really proud. I mean, we used to tell her, okay, hello, you can do anything. I know she's not understanding, but still, Ki Vedu, you can come down, you can crawl, it's okay. You can come down of bed, you can go to, living room. But she was always on the bed, staring at things. It was new for her. She
Hmm.
never saw, I don't know, maybe she never saw a room which was comfortable. When we took her to the park, she was like, she was behaving like a butterfly, like she wants to touch every flower or the grass and everything. And then we realized how hard it was for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, then our journey started with her. because then we were watching her and the world from her lens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. And And when did you realize that now we are a family? Like, oh, we three, like three of us belong together and this is our unit.
From my side, it took time, I would say, because Veda was not a big fan of me.
Hmm.
She took a
Are you
lot.
serious?
Yeah, yeah. She loves me now, but for I would say 18 months or 20 months, she was not a fan of me. I mean, when Himanshu was at office, she will be with me, she will play with me, but jaise hi matlab Himanshu is inside home, she will forget who am I. And she always preferred others. And I thought, okay, maybe she doesn't like me. And
Oh.
she did. I won't say she didn't like me, but I think she was testing me. Yeah, I think. But it took us a long time to bond. Yeah. And that bond, it was an issue from my side. I thought bond is like child hugging you, child being around you. But I realized that bond was something else in our case when people couldn't understand her. Like, what is she saying? And I used to say, she is saying, give me this. And they
Hmm.
were like, how do you understand her? I'm
Hmm.
like, then it clicked because I'm her
Hmm.
mom,
Yeah.
you know. So it was a journey for me because initially everyone was like, ये किसी के भी पास चली जाती है, are you sure मतलब इसको कैसे पता चलेगा you are her mom, because people around adoptive parents are very insensitive sometimes,
Yeah.
they used to taunt me like इसको तो लगेगा everyone is her mom because she's comfortable with everyone. And then I was already going through, I think, adoption postpartum thing,
Yeah.
you know, and after 1.5 years, when only I was the one person who could understand what she's saying, and people used to ask, "What is she saying? What is she saying? क्या बोलती है? हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा." मैंने कहा वो पानी मांग रही है, वो ये मांग रही है. Then it hit me कि कविता, you are her mother, you know.
Hmm.
Since that, I think it's been 8 years. I never look back. I'm like, okay, I'm her mother. It doesn't matter. वो किसके साथ comfortable है. Only I understand her language. Me and
Yeah.
my husband, I mean.
Yeah.
So it was my journey as well, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe I was taking bonding as, मैं शायद bonding की बहुत wrong definition लेके चल रही थी. Bonding is all about clinging to mother, asking for mother, looking for mother, but that's not it. In our case, in I think with adoptive parents, bonding can be, it can be on different level.
Yeah.
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 So
Yeah.
whatever works for you.
Yeah. And how would you describe Veda to someone meeting her for the first time?
Oh God, I'm the wrong person because I'm always very excited to tell people, Veda is this, Veda is that. Veda, in one word, is very compassionate. People will
Hmm.
see her as very chirpy or social, but she's very compassionate. She is chirpy and excited to meet you, maybe because she has very deep compassion for you. She can sense your vibe or energy. She will care for you.
Hmm.
She's a very caring and compassionate child. Very. She can cry with you. Uh, she will feel the pain for you, and I feel really scared for her sometimes
Yeah.
because yes. Then again I feel like okay, she got a good mother because I'm not like her. I I have very clear lens, and she is very kind and caring. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
But
Tell me,
it's social too.
yeah,
She's
yeah,
very social.
yeah. Tell me, Kavita, were there misconceptions or assumptions that you had about Down syndrome that shifted once you began living this reality?
I had few, but I won't say many because the best thing what happened to me, I wasn't informed much.
Hmm.
What happens when you were given a diagnosis, your child has Down syndrome, you go to Google and you
Hmm.
look at other kids, you look at the medical terms, medical pictures, and they are not beautiful. Our kids are beautiful, right? So in my case, thankfully, I never got any diagnosis. So I saw the beautiful kids first, then I saw my child, and I thought this is the best thing. I mean, what people are scared of. This is also this also helped me in ignoring those misconception. I never thought कि India में I had only sorry I had only one misconception that in India we don't have kids with Down syndrome. Maybe, right? But then I met so many. They all are brilliant. Uh, and also a misconceptions that they can't live individually. They can't speak or they can't achieve something. This is the biggest misconception I think people have around us. Even I thought, what is Veda going to do? I mean, even if she's the best person, I don't think so she will have a job or something. But when I see her, she is someone who is breaking all the myths I ever had.
Wow.
So yeah, because even I thought, like, take an example, harmonium. She's playing harmonium. Never ever I thought कि Veda harmonium सीखेगी. I put her for the music because she likes singing, and they said she has to learn an instrument. I'm like, she can't. मतलब मुझे पता था how can she's so small, how she's going to remember all this, but she is doing it. And then I thought, okay, so this girl again showing me that there is more to Down syndrome.
Wow.
I never
Yeah.
thought it's not like I had this negative misconception, but it's like I never thought she will read, she will write. I knew she will, but not like at the age of 6, 7. I wasn't prepared for that, I would say. It wasn't a misconception, but even as a mother, मुझे भी लगता था she will have a tough life. She won't be able to read or write. And because the sound around us tell us कि, these kids, they can't do much, keep them happy. So I was like, okay, but that's not true. My child can. So many kids I met, some are models, some are cycling, some are swimming, some are bringing medals for our country in Olympics, Special Olympics. So yes, I had many few misconceptions.
Yeah. And I'm so interested about what you said, she can do this, she can do that. But Kavita, I think it's also due credit. I mean, credit where it's due because you are also making her learn all these things. I think
Yes,
it's very like your exposure, what you are exposing her to, how you are making her
true.
learn. So where did all of that come into picture? How did you know that, okay, this is how I can teach her, this is how I
Mm.
can make her learn?
I think Neha had started with homeschooling. When I tell homeschooling, people think it's about, having academics at home. But when she came, my child took a long time to sit, to walk.
Hmm.
I have seen her going through that, hardship. And I thought,
Hmm.
when she turned 3, she wasn't even walking. And
Hmm.
everyone around me was, you should put her in school. She should be with her peers and all that. And I'm like, you know what? Uh, I'm not going to listen to anyone. When
Hmm.
Veda turned 3, I became a strong person, and maybe I turned 30 that time. And I'm like, you know what? बहुत हो गया. मतलब, I'm going to follow what works for me. देखा जाएगा जो होगा. And I took all these therapies, physical, occupational speech, in my hand.
Hmm.
And till the time she walked, I wasn't doing any academic work with her. मुझे था पहले she should learn to walk, run. Then I focused on her physical health. Once she turned 6, I noticed that we are enjoying a lot with each other, doing
Hmm.
play-based learning, doing hands-on learning, going outside, playing. And then I took my decision, okay, I'm not going to send her to school. And then I started reading sight words. I researched a lot.
Hmm.
Maybe
Yeah.
one credit you can give, that I followed her, what she
Hmm.
likes. That's the
Yeah.
only credit I can take, because other than that, other things she did on her own. I was the nerd, I was the provider, she was learning. But still, I would say one thing I'm really proud of, that I followed her. I never thought वो बच्चा ये कर रहा है तो शायद वेदा को भी ये करना चाहिए. I noticed Veda's weakness, and it's okay. I tell people, you have to know your child's weakness and to understand that your child is different. There is nothing wrong. There are few things she can't do, and it's okay to accept.
Yeah.
But what she can do, I focused on that. She loves to learn her topics or subjects with the help of puzzles and tracing and hands-on learning. I'm like, okay, I will bring more puzzles and more hands-on learning curriculum at home. And slowly we were reading, writing, and now learning music, dancing. She loves that. So I don't know. I won't say I did much except doing the research and following Veda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me what brings Veda joy.
Food.
Sushi?
Food. Yes. Oh my God. So I noticed Veda is mini me. My husband says she is mini you. I maybe she's not a big fan of me. She loves her dad, but she likes to be mama. What mama likes, what mama eats. So whatever I eat, whatever I read, whatever I do, she follows me. Okay, she has same food choice like me. So
Wow.
I would say whatever brings joys to me, it brings joys to her.
Oh.
We both are quite same when it comes to joy. We both like food. She likes to go out a lot. She likes to go to park. Joy traveling brings joy to her.
Yeah.
Meeting people, you should meet her, you will understand. She loves to meet people, so
Yeah.
that brings joy to her.
Yeah, yeah. And tell me, what are the small victories, that might go unnoticed by others, but feel huge to you as a parent?
Oh, many, because you have to understand that when you are a parent of a child with milestone delays, I don't know about others. I mean, there are few who celebrate everything.
Hmm.
We even celebrated when she said Papa, Mama, first word, water. We even celebrated when she played her first song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star on
Mhm.
harmonium. We took her out for ice cream. But if I have to remind what small things, I noticed her muscle tone.
Hmm.
When I met my best friend, she has a boy, and he was younger than Veda. He was just one, walking, and Veda was, I think, 3 at that time, not walking. And I said, "Oh my God, he has such a beautiful muscle tone." And she's like, "What's that?" I'm like, "You don't even know how blessed you are. Your
Hmm.
child has a muscle tone. When I'm holding him, I can see those strong muscles. I know what muscle tone is. So this is something people miss. I mean, there are so many people raising neurotypical kids, and they don't even care. They say their kids are not going to school, and we are celebrating, oh my God, your child can walk,
Hmm.
and they don't have pronation. They have such a strong muscle around ankles or knees, or such a good, so we became that parent, like talking about muscle strength and muscle strengthening, fine motor, and people around us like, ये कौन notice करता है? मैंने कहा मैं करती हूँ.
Hmm.
Even today, when I meet a child who is 9, and when I see her, someone with Veda, when I meet someone who is same age of Veda, and that child can, do so many things like jump easily or stand on one leg, bounce. And I'm like, oh my God, he's doing it so beautifully. And parents are like, what's the big deal in
Hmm.
this? It is a
It
big,
is,
exactly, right?
yeah.
It takes like your coordination, balance. So many things are going behind, standing on one leg, jumping. There are so many muscles. So this is the one thing I notice a lot. Plus, Second thing, eye issues. Like
Hmm.
I'm really glad that Himanshu wear glasses, so he can easily tell. Like this is hard for Veda.
Yeah.
Maybe she's not able to focus. It's very easy for someone to say, "Okay, Veda, go run. वो देखो plane जा रहा है, वो देखो helicopter जा रहा है." But it takes her, I think, 10 to 15 seconds to locate and uh, not that, because she has nystagmus, so it's too much for her to align her eyes.
Yeah.
So these are the few small things we value a lot. We
Yeah.
know she will take time, we know she will be slow in some things, and we
Yeah.
tell people it's okay, give her some time.
Yeah.
And people are missing out on so many joys. Your kids can see beautifully, your kids can kick a ball, your kids don't have feet pronation, they don't wear SMOs, because they have good muscle strength. These are the small things, I would say, matters a lot in our house.
Yeah. Yeah. And many of us encountered your story through Instagram. What made you decide to begin sharing your journey publicly?
It wasn't the plan though.
Mm.
I had this plan, I'm going to tell no one. I when I was um, when Veda was coming home, I was in train. I shared a photo in WhatsApp, and it got circulated by one of my friend who who knew someone with a child with Down syndrome. He shared with them, and the story got viral in DS community and
Wow.
soon in adoption community. My plan was I will come home, I will raise her, or maybe I will leave or to US again after 2 3 years. And then suddenly I was getting calls from everywhere, we want to post your story, we want to meet you. And slowly, I started sharing Veda's picture in my private account,
Hmm.
where I was sharing my recipes. And everyone was like, you should talk more about it. And I wasn't comfortable because I had my notions as well. Because people see adoption as a sympathy only in India. Even
Hmm.
today, in 2026, if I'm sharing Veda's homecoming, there will be 5 people who will say, this is so amazing, congratulations. But there will be 5 people who will say, you have done such a great deed, noble deed,
Hmm.
and Veda is so lucky. They don't want to learn that it's about the child. So I wasn't comfortable, but again, so many people who were following me on my personal page told me, you should. अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो कौन करेगा? And I'm like, okay. Then I started learning with Veda. It was extra Chromi Veda earlier. I'm like, okay, let me share. I started posting pictures of her, and people were happy to see her progress.
Yeah.
And slowly in COVID, I started talking about how lonely journey it was, because people see that you have adopted and how amazing you are, and they put you in a box of some godlike person, and they never ask you how you did that and how tough it was. So I shared talking about adoption openly,
Hmm.
and that's how around 2021. Um, I got this community of what 14,000 followers something, and
Hmm.
yeah, they love us, they love
Hmm.
Veda. We
Yeah.
have a beautiful community. I would like to give credit to those people as well, because अगर मेरी community इंस्टा community नहीं होती तो शायद मैं इंस्टा कब की छोड़ चुकी होती.
Hmm.
uh, they made me believe that whatever I'm doing and is right, and also they wanted to learn more about Down syndrome and adoption. So
Yeah.
kudos to them, they wanted to learn. I was just sharing my story.
Yeah. Yeah. But now, what has it meant for you to tell your story in this way?
ah I wanted to tell people that it's not scary.
Hmm.
For me, more than story, it was like this is my real life. For
Yeah.
you, it's a one time story you read in newspaper, you saw on TV. But this is not real life. Real life is this: we go to therapies, we do hand strengthening every day, when we used to do. And life is tough, sometimes we get expander, sometimes we get SMOs. And this is what a real child with Down syndrome looks like. maybe your child with Down syndrome won't look like her,
Mm.
but still, life with Down syndrome is not bad. There is nothing wrong in having Down syndrome. My main purpose was like, you have to change your perspective about Down syndrome.
Right.
Because when I say Down syndrome to you, of course, everyone will go to Google and they will see all those traits like almond eyes and, parent, either that medical book picture, or parents crying about it. But now things have changed. Now
Yeah.
things have changed. In past 9 to 10 years, things have changed. People are now contacting me that I have a child with Down syndrome, what to do. So I feel happy about it.
Yeah.
And yes, I forgot, like, um not only my story, just because of my account and YouTube video, I have met so many people, so many parents having kids with Down syndrome have contacted me, told me how happy they feel when they see our story. So this gives me a purpose. Okay, even if one parent who is going through a lot after diagnosis can read Veda's story or my story and feels better, to raise the child, and just feels better and
Yeah.
get a strength to live one more day, to work more, or to just work on the acceptance, then that's the purpose of my account.
Yeah, beautiful. And you talked about receiving messages of support and,
Yeah.
of seeking support and giving support. Have there been moments where messages from other parents like deeply moved you? कि, wow, ये हुआ है ऐसे.
Yes, yes. But at that time, I wasn't this smart enough. I was myself very young. But earlier, people used to tell me, ma'am, just because of you, we have accepted my child's diagnosis.
Wow.
Because we thought, like, if you can do that, this is our child, we waited for 9 months, तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? जब आप ये कर सकते हो तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Then I'm like, okay. At that time I had no idea what to say, but now I feel like, um, that for people is just an assurance that, look, because Veda is 10 now, people are watching her from past 9 years,
Yeah.
and this gives them assurance कि चलो, मतलब life is not at all scary with our kids, like it has been told. जो doctors जैसे आपको convey करते हैं diagnosis कि okay, just I'm sorry, but it's Down syndrome. What is there to be sorry about,
Hmm.
So I think such messages makes me feel really good. There are so many people who are like, just because of Veda, my child learned to walk. आप वो stairs की वीडियो डालते थे, तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं गांव में रहती हूँ, मैं कैसे अपने बच्चे को थेरेपी दूंगी, पर मैंने उसको स्टेयर्स चढ़ना सिखाया तो माय चाइल्ड गॉट मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग. मैंने कहा दैट वाज द पर्पस. माय पर्पस इज नॉट हियर टू टेल यू कि भाई आप ये 10,000 की साइकिल लीजिए एंड मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग करिए. माय पर्पस इज कि अगर कोई इंसान जो इंडिया के छोटे गांव में रहता है, वो कैसे अपने बच्चे को बिना थेरेपी के पाल सकता है. बच्चे ने बड़ा तो होना ही है.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, राइट. जहाँ थेरेपीज नहीं है, वो पेरेंट्स जब मुझे कांटेक्ट करते हैं ना, इट गिव्स मी सो मच हैप्पीनेस कि कोई एक वीडियो की मैम कैसे वेदा ग्रास में क्रॉल करती थी घास के ऊपर, तो हम अब बच्चे को सेंसरी के लिए वहां ले जाते हैं पार्क में. देन आई फेल्ट ओके, ये कोई छोटी चीज नहीं है कविता, इट्स अ बिग थिंग.
Yeah.
Yeah. So such messages makes me feel really good कि I'm glad मैंने ये story छुपाई नहीं. It's not like मैं छुपाना चाहती थी, but मैं बताना नहीं चाहती थी. But I feel really happy कि ये story बाहर आ गई. Maybe it was meant to be, and now parents can see. क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि what actually Down syndrome looks like. When I started my account 9 years ago, I don't remember any account sharing about their
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah.
So I just
Yeah.
wanted people to see, this is what actual Down syndrome look like. क्योंकि वेदा कल को 18 की भी होगी, 28 की भी होगी, तो they should know what she will look like when she is 19 or 28 or 30.
Yeah.
Life won't be scary with her.
Yeah.
ये जो scary word है ना कि Down syndrome is scary, these kids are and they can't achieve much. Even if they don't, they are still worthy. I tell people, I
Yeah.
don't care ki I don't love Veda because she's achieving things. I love her because this is who she is,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And I really dislike this whole achievement focus because
Yeah,
हमने क्या उखाड़ लिया लाइफ में?
exactly, right?
मतलब हाँ,
Exactly.
I am neurotypical in a lot of ways and I am neurodivergent in a lot of ways. But uh, what have I achieved by being typical and by being
Exactly.
normal? In that sense. And I think focus बहुत ज्यादा उस पे चले जाता है जिसमें कुछ कमी होती है या जिसमें
Exactly.
कुछ डिफरेंट होता है
Different होता है.
that yeah, what can they do, what can they achieve, what can they like how will they survive, how will they do this? And I'm like, focus on yourself now. How are you
Exactly.
surviving? I
जो,
can't also live alone. I need my family to survive.
true, true. True.
Yeah,
What you said, Neha, exactly. I wrote a post like कि मतलब बहुत इनविजिबल नहीं कहूंगी. There is a direct pressure on kids, people raising kids with disabilities कि just because आपके बच्चे को एक disability है तो आपके बच्चे को आउट परफॉर्म करना है, उसको तो
right.
इतना अच्छा होना है कि लोग बोलें कि चलिए आपने इसको ठीक कर दिया.
Hmm.
ये
Hmm.
ये बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है कि वो कल को अकेले कैसे रहेगा. पर मैं भी तो अकेले नहीं रह रही हूँ. आई
Hmm.
नीड माई पेरेंट्स, आई नीड माई फ्रेंड्स. तो मेरे बच्चे को क्यों अकेले रहना है? और आप ये बोल सकते हो कि वो जॉब कैसे करेगा, बट जॉब
Hmm.
में भी तो देयर आर गोइंग टू बी सो मेनी पीपल टू
Yeah.
असिस्ट हर. दैट्स व्हाई आई टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंसेस कि अगर किसी को यही नहीं पता कि मेरी बेटी की नीड्स अलग हैं तो वो उसको हेल्प कैसे करेगा? People
Hmm.
are like, no, no, she's not different, she's just like us, we
हाँ.
are disabled, she's not disabled, we are I'm like, that's not how it works. She has a disability. You are not there to make it inspiring. You have to assist her, so please learn about her differences.
Yeah.
Agar meri best friend is going through something, I'm there to understand her, or just be over positive. No, no, you can't be sad, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And one of my main reason to talk about Down syndrome on public platform is because my child or people or kids like Veda will need people support forever in life.
Yeah.
और वो कोई देना नहीं चाहता है. We want
Hmm.
them to grow and just uh, break the ceilings or become super famous. Every child with Down syndrome can't be famous. What
Yeah.
about those who can't be famous?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so there's too much pressure. Like अगर कोई बच्चा जैसे मुझे भी लगता है, आई गेट सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस, आपको उसको मॉडलिंग में डालना चाहिए, आपको उसको सिंगिंग में डालना चाहिए. मैंने कहा फॉर व्हाट इफ शी विल बी वेदा द नॉन फेमस, क्या हो जाएगा?
हाँ. हाँ.
I mean,
Yeah.
she is living her life. She doesn't need to be something to
Yeah.
be respected.
Yeah.
सो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है. और कहीं ना कहीं पीपल इन डीएस कम्युनिटी आर ऑल्सो रनिंग बिहाइंड दिस, क्योंकि उन्हें कोई गाइड ही नहीं कर रहा है कि आपके बच्चे को कुछ अचीव नहीं करना है.
Hmm.
हमें ये बताया गया कि जब तक आपका बच्चा ना कुछ बन नहीं जाएगा ना, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगी. पर उसकी रिस्पेक्ट घर से शुरू होगी.
Hmm.
अगर वो घर में रिस्पेक्टेड है, इट डजेंट मैटर वो बाहर बाहर तो अपने आप ही रिस्पेक्ट आएगी अगर वो घर में रिस्पेक्टेड है.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो वो आई थिंक हम कहीं ना कहीं जो कोर प्रिंसिपल्स हैं वो हम मिस कर रहे हैं कि यू हैव टू सेलिब्रेट एंड रिस्पेक्ट योर चाइल्ड एट होम.
Yeah.
दैट्स वेयर इंक्लूजन स्टार्ट. व्हेन यू आर रिस्पेक्टेड, आप यू आर रिस्पेक्टिंग योर चाइल्ड, तो आप बाहर जाके वो बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त ही नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर कोई और आपके बच्चे से डिसरिस्पेक्टफुली बात कर रहा है तो.
Yeah. Yeah. Talking about inclusion, I have wanted to ask you this question, Kavita, that it also, like, as you said, disability hai, that you
Mm-hmm.
can't really ignore or blindside that and say
Exactly.
that, hai. But it also, like, parenting a child with disability also comes with navigating systems that are not built for inclusion and built for
Neurodivergent kids,
yes,
yes.
yes,
True.
schools, healthcare, public attitudes, you know
Yes.
there they are not designed, they are not built with inclusion in mind, very, very largely. So,
Yeah.
have you faced some of these experiences? Have you had some of these experiences where you've had to navigate places where it was not built for inclusion?
Yes, not in school,
Hmm.
because we chose homeschooling. But somehow, Neha, people think inclusion is all about school.
Yeah.
Like inclusion is equal to school. That's
Hmm.
so wrong. Uh, it starts from your home. मेरे घर में ही inclusion नहीं था. Veda came home and everyone was like, कि why are you telling everyone she has Down syndrome? She is perfectly fine. You can lie. तो हम like, मैं क्या सिस्टम को फाइट करूंगी अगर मेरे घर में ही ऐसे लोग हैं.
Hmm.
they wanted me to tell people कि tell them you haven't adopted her, किसी को पता ही नहीं चलेगा, she looks like you. This is the worst thing you can say to any parent. So मैं बाहर सिस्टम से तो क्या फाइट करती, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि घर में ये चीजें चल रही हैं. एंड everyone around me talking weird things about like अच्छा ये नॉर्मल नहीं है, ये नॉर्मल है. तो पहले तो मुझे अपने घर में बहुत फाइट करना पड़ा इस चीज को लेके कि चेंज योर लैंग्वेज. मेंटालिटी तो आप जब भी चेंज करें पहले
Hmm.
लैंग्वेज चेंज कर लीजिए ताकि मेरे को ना सुनना पड़े, क्योंकि
Right.
मेंटालिटी तो आप चेंज कर ही नहीं सकते, राइट. तो लैंग्वेज चेंज करना. सेकंड, आई नोटिस स्कूल को लेके भी. आई वाज अ प्री स्कूल टीचर फॉर 2 years.
Oh, wow.
लेट मी टेल यू, या. तो ये मेरे तो पहले से ही मुझे पता था कि इंक्लूजन जैसी चीज तो शायद ही वेदा को मिलने वाली है. मिल सकती है बिकॉज ऑफ हर बिहेवियर और हर नेचर, मुझे पता है मिल सकती है. बट आई चोज नॉट टू फाइट दैट बैटल. मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसा लगा आई वॉन्टेड पीस बिकॉज वेदा वॉज ऑल्सो अडॉप्टेड. तो there she was also going through a lot because there you know the trauma and everything. तो मुझे उसको एक और इशू में नहीं
Hmm.
डालना था वेयर जहां वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी लूज कर लेती. तो मुझे लगा चलिए हम स्कूल साइड करते हैं, आई विल होम स्कूल. बट व्हेन आई वेंट आउट फॉर क्लासेस,
Hmm.
आई कैन टेल लाइक people don't know. Forget Down syndrome, they don't know what is a disability or special need. They think अच्छा इसको special need है तो अच्छा ये उसकी तरह होगा, वो जो cerebral palsy वाले उनकी तरह होगा, या मेरे फैमिली में भी कोई ऐसा ही था, उसको ऐसे बांध के रख देते. तो people don't know what exactly it is. मैं स्विमिंग के लिए गई हूँ तो कोच रेडी नहीं है टू टीच हर. तो ये बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं बट यू स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग देम एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड राइट पीपल फॉर योर चाइल्ड. देन आई
Yeah.
डिसाइडेड दैट दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस आई वांट. एंड बहुत एक दो ओकेजन्स हुए हैं बट लकीली Veda bloomed because she got right people, and
Hmm.
before that she got really wrong people.
Hmm.
And I decided कि ये तो नहीं होने वाला. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल वेदा कि भाई आप एडजस्ट हो जाओ बिकॉज सब आप में प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि आप में स्पेशल नीड है. नहीं, काफी लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं यहाँ हम नहीं लेते बिकॉज स्पेशल नीड किड्स अदर पेरेंट्स से कि नहीं इट्स नॉट गुड. तो आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड पीपल हु एक्सेप्ट द वे शी इज.
Yeah.
Yeah, school I never got chance, but I know so many parents who are fighting in school for inclusion.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but initially I started कि आपकी लाइफ में आपको कुछ बैटल्स फाइट करनी होती है. दिस इज नॉट माई बैटल. मैंने दूर से ही बोल दिया कि मुझे लड़ना ही नहीं. आई ऑलरेडी गिव अप.
Hmm.
हाँ, मुझे नहीं लड़ना है, मुझे स्कूल के इंक्लूजन के लिए नहीं लड़ना है बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट माई प्रायोरिटी. ओके,
Yeah.
माई प्रायोरिटी इज व्हाट माई चाइल्ड लाइक्स. अगर कल को वो जहाँ म्यूजिक चाहती है या जहाँ डांस जा रही है वहां उसको इंक्लूड नहीं करते तो शायद मुझे बहुत हर्ट होता. और एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ है बट लकीली वी फाउंड गुड पीपल. वी फाउंड अदर क्लासेस. तो मैं पेरेंट्स को वही कहती हूँ, अगर इफ समवन इज नॉट ट्रीटिंग योर चाइल्ड राइट, टेक देम आउट, find right people
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And tell me, Kavita, like people know you, like, in and around online and offline spaces में अब तो आप फेमस से हो
ऑनलाइन
गए हो
ऑनलाइन यस
ऑनलाइन तो. बट where people don't know you or Veda, I'm asking more specifically for Veda, when people encounter Veda in public spaces, as she is, like as you said, chirpy, bubbly, we also see her online like
या
that.
या
What reactions do you get in public spaces when people see her?
टच वुड नाउ she gets positive reaction. Yeah.
Hmm.
People love her around her. मतलब वो staring होती है,
Hmm.
but there are few people जो उस staring को तोड़ के आगे आते हैं कि hello hi what's your name, तो Veda will be like what's your name. So
Hmm.
वो थोड़ा healthy हो जाता है. I will give credit to Veda only because
Hmm.
she is also the one uh, responding.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But earlier it wasn't like that because when she came home na, she was 16 months old and she was very tiny, like a 3-month old baby. She got glasses. Like you
Yeah.
imagine a 3-month old wearing glasses. So for 5 years when I was in NCR, Delhi NCR, it was hell. Hell, like we are going out, everyone shaming us. अरे इतने से बच्चे को glasses है, आपने इतने से बच्चे को glasses डाल दी, इतने से बच्चे को glasses डाल दी. तो मतलब it took me a lot courage to encounter them कि ऐसा नहीं है. फिर मुझे लगा यार कविता that's it, I can't fight anymore. Then I'm like हाँ डाल दी. Like अभी भी मुझे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं if I'm going to coffee like मैम इतने छोटे बच्चे को glasses क्या बचपन में लगे थे, तो मैं बोलती नहीं पैदा होते ही लग गए थे. So there is end of discussion. There is end of discussion. Like I'm like I don't have energy. Or touch wood, Neha, I'm so happy because now glasses are so common.
Yeah.
10 years ago, it took me so long to find glasses for her. Everyone
Hmm.
is like मैम इतने बच्चे को तो glasses ही नहीं लगते हैं, शी 2-3 महीने की बच्ची है ये. फिर उनको ये explain करना कि no, she is 16-month old. There was another battle I never
Yeah.
wanted to fight. And also, I really want to mention that since I have left Delhi NCR and I moved to Chandigarh, my life has become so comfortable. People here are so amazing. I want to give credit where it's due. वेदा को यहाँ पे एक भी इंसान ने कभी नहीं बोला होगा ये स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाती, ये क्यों नहीं करती, इसके ग्लासेस क्यों है, ये ऐसे क्यों बोलती है. पीपल हेयर आर सो जॉली, मे बी बिकॉज इट्स अ स्मॉल सिटी.
Hmm.
एंड she goes to shopping, everyone knows her shopkeeper, everyone okay how's your homeschool, आज homeschool नहीं था यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, तो they know her कि इसका तो होम स्कूल होगा आज. दे नेवर से कि अच्छा क्या पढ़ती हो होम स्कूल में, स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाती हो. सो वेदा हैज बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 60, रिटायर्ड सीनियर सिटीजन्स इन पार्क. एंड दे फील सो हैप्पी दैट 6 बजे कोई बच्चा सुबह पार्क आ रहा है या 7 बजे विद पेरेंट्स. So they feel happy that we don't get to see kids these days. So she sits with us, she will talk, आप कैसे हो, ठीक हो, and all that. So she has kids, she has friends from the age of 3 to till 60 who miss
Wow.
her if she misses a walk or अगर वो एक week भी walk नहीं जाएगी. So I think for me this is a different kind of inclusion I want to show people. You
Yeah.
know, this is also inclusion at personal level. प्रोफेशनल लेवल, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लेवल, वी आर वेरी फार नाउ. अब हम लोग बहुत पीछे हैं इन इंडिया, बट पर्सनल लेवल भी कोई चीज होती है. तो आई थिंक मेरा काम है सिर्फ पर्सनल लेवल पे दिखाना इंक्लूजन, बिकॉज मैंने स्कूल और अभी तक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फेस नहीं किया है.
Hmm.
द डे
Hmm.
आई विल, मे बी आई विल टेल.
Yeah, yeah. But tell me also, Kavita, do you ever feel that, like you have to protect your family's privacy or story in a way because you're sharing online and in like वो boundary कहाँ आती है कि where you share and overshare के बीच में, और does Veda sometime feel कि मम्मा बस करो recording something of that
आई
sort?
अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ, वो बाउंड्री पहले नहीं थी
Hmm.
बिकॉज पहले ये साउंड नहीं था, चाइल्ड privacy एंड ऑल दैट. पोस्ट कोविड इफ समवन कैन नोटिस आई हैव स्टॉप्ड शेयरिंग. मतलब मेरे पोस्ट बहुत कम हो गए. एज शी इज ग्रोइंग माई पोस्ट आर गोइंग डाउन. बट एक बाउंड्री बहुत पहले से भी थी, नॉट टू टॉक अबाउट her life. If
Hmm.
someone can scroll my page, they can see that I have never put Veda in front of camera and told her कि अपने बारे में बताओ, what do you
Hmm.
think, what do you feel. I always, that page is my perspective. Veda going for walk, Veda having expander from a distance, not on her face. So I made this boundary कि I'm not going to sell her story as a content. So Veda is not a content for me. That's the boundary I made. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग एवरी डे. लोग कहते हैं आप ना हमेशा अच्छी चीजें डालते हो वेदर रीड करके, आप कभी नहीं डालते जो वो स्ट्रगल करती है या वो टैंट्रम थ्रो करी. मैंने कहा बिकॉज दैट्स हु शी इज एंड दैट्स हर स्टोरी. एक दिन वो बड़ी होगी, वो खुद बता देगी कि भाई
Hmm.
मेरी मम्मी ने बड़ा रुलाया मुझे पढ़ाते हुए एंड ऑल दैट. ठीक है, या मतलब मेरे को बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता था रीडिंग करते हुए. दैट्स हर स्टोरी. टॉकिंग अबाउट her adoption story from her perspective is her story. I always tell how we applied. I never talk about how she was, where she was, what was her story. So this is her story plus the medical stuff. I never tell people what kind of medical condition she has online. uh, so there is the boundary. And also when we travel, I always share when I'm back home,
Hmm.
that where we were staying. I never share where she's going for dance. That's why I don't make vlog. Because अगर मैं vlog बना रही हूँ, I'm a very detective person. If you give me a task, Kavita, you have to find that XYZ person. I will find that person online
Hmm.
because I'm a Scorpio. Sorry. So I know people like me. I understand people like me. I know if I'm making a live video, okay, Veda going climbing the stair to her class, आज हम class गए हमने किया, people will take a snapshot and find where she goes. I know that. I never do vlog thing, daily vlogs. So I try my best not to share locations, her medical history, her family history, her history, because that's her story, I feel.
Hmm.
So learning with Veda is all my perspective for Veda,
Yeah.
for other kids. It's
Yeah.
never like Veda thinks what Veda is cooking today. Let's make something. Maybe when she'll grow, she can start her own channel or something. But अभी वो मेरे perspective से ही है.
Does she know what you do?
I tell her, yeah. I
Hmm.
always tell her कि I'm making a. When she was small, I never told her, but now I tell her कि Veda, Mama makes these videos. I show her Insta videos. I read comments to her. I tell her that there are so many kids in this world like her, and there are so many parents who need help. You know, बहुत सारे parents होते हैं. They don't know. Like Mama had no idea how to raise you, so Mama looked for other people. So there are so many people maybe who are looking for Mama. कि अच्छा, how Veda is reading, how Veda is writing. So see, Mama posts such videos because I have a YouTube channel as well
Yeah.
for people who are not on Insta, mostly from rural India.
Yeah.
So she's like, okay, she does that. She understands. बिकॉज मैं भी बहुत कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में थी नेहा इनिशियली जब ये रूल्स आ गए कि बच्चों की अपनी प्राइवेसी है एंड ऑल दैट. फिर मुझे लगा कि ये भी बात सच है, बट आई शुड नॉट फॉरगेट कि जस्ट 20 or 30 years ago इन फॉरेन, इन इंडिया, जस्ट 15 या 20 साल पहले हमारे बच्चे दिखते भी नहीं थे.
बिल्कुल.
ना दिखते थे, ना उनके बारे में बात होती थी. तो अगर आप, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज अ पर्सपेक्टिव ना, यू हैव टू सी फर्स्ट. आप कहानियां सुन के ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, आपको कहानियां देखनी पड़ेगी. अगर मैंने वेदा का अकाउंट नहीं बनाया और मैं डिसाइड कर लूं यार मैं इसको ना नहीं शेयर करना चाहती बिकॉज ऑफ हर चाइल्ड राइट्स एंड ऑल दैट, मेरे को भी बहुत बार ये डर लगता है, मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं गलत कर रही हूँ. देन आई फील अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया तो शायद मतलब किसी को पता ही नहीं चलेगा
Yeah.
कि डाउन सिंड्रोम दिखता कैसा है.
Yeah.
क्योंकि
Yeah.
इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, सब अलग दिखते हैं डाउन सिंड्रोम के.
Yeah.
सब सब अलग हैं, कोई किसी में अच्छा है, कोई किसी चीज में अच्छा है. अगर हम सब ने ये सोच लिया कि हम अपने बच्चों को नहीं दिखाएंगे ऑनलाइन या ये उसके लिए सही नहीं है, तो वो भी सही नहीं होगा कहीं ना कहीं
Yeah.
एथिकली.
Yeah.
फिर शायद कोई किसी को रीच आउट ना कर पाए, कोई पेरेंट अकेला ही डायग्नोसिस से डील करे. तो ये चीजें मुझे शायद रोक देती हैं. मैं कभी कभी वापस आ जाती हूँ, okay, let me post.
Yeah.
But now I don't post much often. Now I don't talk about adoption much because I'm also scared of going, viral and all. I don't want that sound or that noise in my account.
Yeah.
If Because I'm sure the day I will make a video on adoption again, and in case it gets viral, not that viral, but more shares, more likes, more comments, then there will be too much noise,
Yeah.
and I don't want that. I
Yeah.
I, I can't deal with that. That's why I'm very happy with my limited followers.
Yeah. And that reminds me of something that had happened a few months back, maybe when Veda's picture was used.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I actually, when I was looking at that, as a mother, it made me so angry, Kavita. Like, it made me so angry. And I was like, I was like, what must you be going through to
Hmm.
have to see that picture on that thumbnail, and to
Yeah.
have silence from the other side. लाइक कुछ
Yes.
जवाब मिले तो आप उसका रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते हो, कुछ मतलब
True.
बैक एंड फोर्थ हो सकता है. टू रिसीव साइलेंस, complete silence, and I was like, how are you doing this? And then I realized that all these things that we think कि मैं ऐसा करूंगी, मैं वैसा करूंगी, all these are right now notions in our head. When it comes
Hmm.
to it na, we can fight because you did
Yeah.
fight.
Yes.
And I was very, like, I was very impressed with, I was like, wow, this woman is standing up and like fighting online for your child. Is a You could have stepped back, you could have just let it be, like,
Hmm.
and you could have chosen that कि ठीक है, यूज हो गया, मैं
क्या
कुछ
कर
नहीं कर
सकते हैं.
सकती.
Hmm.
But I think that is where your strength lies, that when it comes to your child, you can really stand up and fight.
Thank you, Neha, for saying that. Seriously, it means so much. Yeah, and the worst part, I came to know about that the day before my daughter's birthday. I mean,
Oh,
I I was like, "Ki, how am I going to control my emotions? My house is full. It was a 10th birthday on 4th, and on 3rd, my follower messaged me. But how lucky I am, my follower saw a thumbnail, messaged me, Kavita, I think someone has used Veda's picture. Look, Kiri. And I'm like, okay. Matlab, first of all, I'm like, I'm so thankful to you. Right? Matlab, she took so much time to update me. And then I contacted everyone. I contacted the, we have those, what, um, I don't even remember, cyber security and
yeah.
child protection, everyone. They replied me after 25 days, by the way.
Wow.
So I was not looking to fight. My first thing for me was, first step for me was just remove the picture. That's it.
Mm.
I was feeling equally sad for that boy as well,
Yeah.
who was there in the picture. And then I realized, after continuous reports, I think they removed it. I don't know why they removed it. They never gave me answer. But after a week, they removed it. And then I'm like, no, they can remove it, but they can't reply. That was like, no, I'm not done. And thankfully, I have such amazing community. There were 5 to 6 people, lawyers, advocates. They contacted me. We are here to fight for Veda for free. We are not going to take any charge. I'm like, what is happening? I mean,
Mhm.
how blessed I am. See,
Yeah.
or how blessed Veda is. And they told us, ki, we are going to put charges. Tell us, what do you want? Do you want money? Or I don't want a penny. I want a sorry.
Yeah.
And even my advocate told them, that lady could have charged so much from you guys. तुम्हें पता नहीं है अभी. But
Mm.
all she wants is a sorry on a paper. Just apologize online. And I'm so thankful to my community who came forward to fight for my case. I mean, I was like, are you sure? Are you sure I should fight? Everyone, you should fight. Yes,
Yeah.
you should fight. I'm like, okay, let's fight then. I come from a middle class person. I was really happy when, like, okay, they removed the picture. I was content in that. Like, okay, fine. We have been raised like that, don't fight. Or
Hmm.
then I'm like, how can they
Unnecessary
just,
पंगा मत लो.
yeah. And I'm
Yeah.
like, how they can remove the picture, but they can't respond to my mail or my messages. That was the turning point. But
Hmm.
yeah, credit goes to my community again. Again, those people, the lawyers who came forward, they guided me and they were there whole time with me. And the guy I choose, he was there, like, what to do, how to do, what should we go forward with. So thanks to him.
Yeah, yeah. And in these kind of moments, Kavita, when things go like overboard and overwhelming, they become so overwhelming.
Hmm.
How do you how do you ground yourself? How do you say ke, how do you stay in the moment and say ke, see the real picture of what is in front of you, your child,
Hmm.
your family? How do you do that?
Well, I don't do it well. I won't lie. I don't. Um, but I cry, then
Hmm.
I sit, then I focus. Like,
Hmm.
eventually, I will. I will come to my sense, but first I will cry. I will lose my everything, lose my temper and
Hmm.
everything. But thankfully, I have my husband who
Hmm.
is like born with this clarity. I don't know how. I tell him I lack clarity. He's born with such clear thoughts and the clarity he has. So he grounds me a lot.
Hmm.
He
Hmm.
grounds me. He deserved the praise because he grounds me. I'm not a person. I'm not a grounded person. I judge very easily. Won't lie. Like I can lose my temper. I will say the things as it is. What is wrong is wrong. I won't sugarcoat. But he's the one who will ground me. Even on that day, while I was dealing with all this and ordering a cake, and at the same time I'm getting notification, he told me that it's okay. Let's focus. And let's focus on what could have happened, like अगर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता तो
Hmm.
you should be very thankful तुम्हें पता चला. And then there were so many people, like, sue them and all this, and I'm like,
Hmm.
okay. And everyone was there to support me, and I felt like, why I'm feeling sad then? So
Yeah.
I took time. I take time. So
Hmm.
it looks really good on reel, on pictures, that you don't lose or you feel grounded. But at first, every person just freak out, cry, and then
Hmm.
then ground themselves. Yeah, I'm not a
Yeah.
person who can ground myself first. Okay, it's okay. Everything happens for a reason. I do it better when it's happening to someone else.
Yeah.
I'm a very very good guide, uh, but not for myself.
Yeah. On that note, I'm calling you Veda. On
Yeah.
that note, Veda's mother, Kavita, tell us who is your village?
My village. Um, I won't lie. It took me a lot many years to find my village, and it's still the people around Veda. They are not my people.
Hmm.
Like, they are not my relatives or my family. It's the people Veda found for me. They are my village. They were not there when Veda wasn't there. Veda
Hmm.
found her people. She found her favorite persons, and now they are my village. Whether it's her classes, her teacher, or my friends who were not there at that time, my friends and family, and they came together for Veda.
Wow.
So I think they are my village. My Instagram community is my village. मैं I'm I'm not a sharer. I won't share much online क्योंकि I'm going through this and that. But मुझे पता है if I do ना, then I know there will be so many people like, okay, tell us. अगर मैंने एक बार बोल दिया होता कि I want Veda, I want a babysitter for Veda, I know everyone will be happy. Okay, tell me where, कहाँ आना है. I know that. So that's my village. My Insta community is my village. And there are people in DS community who are there. Personally, Neha, I'm not a person who looks for village also. I'm a very, I would say, weird person. I don't ask for much help. So I have done it alone for a long time. I have raised Veda alone with my husband. We have
Hmm.
done it alone. So we never looked for village. So we are happy with the people around us. And whoever who loves Veda is my village now.
Yeah.
Those who can't accept her are not welcome.
Yeah. Yeah. And when you think about Veda's future,
Hmm.
what fills you with hope?
Ah, it's weird that I don't see her future. I see my future with her. I,
Wow,
I,
that's so beautiful. That's
I,
so beautiful.
I don't see it. Is it even making sense? Does it
It
even
is
make
making
sense?
sense, like I can, as a mother, Kavita, sorry,
Hmm.
I have to say this. I have to say this. Like, I actually felt it, what you said. I felt it in my bones because when I think about my child, I don't think about my child. I think about me and
Yeah, yeah,
me
right?
with my child.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't see a future where I know she will like Veda doing job or she can do anything with her life, right? But when I think about future, I see like Veda coming home, we watching movies, we eating pizza together, or talking about, fighting or talking or arguing, and she being my movie partner or eating popcorn. This is what I have vision for my future. I want Veda next to me, telling me each and everything, whether she's doing job, whether she's doing a training, she's earning or not. I don't care whether she's a very big model or actress. I don't care. I want her to come to mama papa and जैसे हम आज रहते हैं, going for drives. This is the future I want for her, um, when she's with me, or with us.
Oh.
We always look forward for कि we are going to trekking or we are going to travel with Veda here. We are going to drive, we will go for this, we will be doing this with Veda. I want her to be there for her, that's
Yeah.
the future I want. I'm also scared. People say, what after us? Because that's a big question when you have a child with disability. I'm like, I don't know, but I'm trying to make her a bit independent so that she can deal with things on her own. बाकी देखा जाएगा. Who
Hmm.
knows?
Hmm.
Nobody
Hmm.
knows the future.
Yeah, yeah. And when you said that, I'm sure that's not the same kind of fear. But again, that's the fear. I think that's a universal fear. What if I die?
Exactly.
What if I die? And
Exactly.
what will happen to my child? I mean, I know, like, my child being a normal child can survive on
Yeah.
his or her own, but that's a fear
But
everybody
how
carries.
and how do you know? मतलब
Yeah, how do you know?
how exactly? I mean, if मतलब भगवान ना करे बट अगर ये मेरे साथ होता मुझे नहीं लगता mentally I am that mature कि I could have lived without my parents. I don't think
Yeah,
so.
yeah,
So how
yeah,
do you know?
yeah.
कि because we are only thinking in financial and job perspective, right? We are not thinking mentally क्या वो बच्चा जी मतलब
जी
handle कर
पाएगा,
पाएगा
हाँ, बिल्कुल
situation
बिल्कुल
and
बिल्कुल.
right.
Yeah,
So
yeah. And I
so
think it's
it's
a it's
weird.
a it's a yeah, it's only because, yeah, like, these two things that you said about achieving and about this whole fear, I think they are so universal.
Yes,
Eh,
true.
yeah.
Exactly. And Neha, I always tell people when they don't understand, I go spiritual. I'm like, see, she was there before us, ठीक है? She will be there. जब हम नहीं थे तब भी वो easily थी. She
Hmm.
was living. Maybe not a good life, but she was alive. If we are not there, she will be alive. When I say it spiritually, people are like, oh, nice.
Hmm.
तब वो चुप हो जाते हैं because till the time you're arguing that they won't understand कि
Yeah.
it's okay. It's ये कितनी दूर की कौन सोचता है because that's true. किसी
Yeah.
ने नहीं देखा future, right?
Yeah.
But but
एंड
I see a
प्लानिंग
different
तो सभी
future.
करते हैं, प्लानिंग तो सभी
True.
करते हैं, मतलब अपना, चाहे आपका डिसेबिलिटी वाला बच्चा है या नॉन डिसेबिलिटी वाला बच्चा है,
Exactly.
मतलब. एंड आई थिंक यू ऑल्सो मेंशन समथिंग वेरी पावरफुल, दैट फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी वी कैन सी, who's there to see mental disability, and
Exactly.
what gets triggered when, like when you are, everything is going normal, for example, and when you lose a parent, what about the trauma of
Exactly.
that, things like that, I think.
There are so many kids who lost their parents in COVID.
Yeah.
So many. So, I mean, are you telling me just because they were neurotypical, they had no issues? I mean, who knows? Like, even today, an adult can be affected if they lose a grandparent.
Yeah.
Some people don't go forward, like, they just can't go live a normal life after that,
Yeah.
right? So I think it's a big pressure on our kids, and on parents who are
Hmm.
raising kids with disability. I think we have to stop asking such questions.
Hmm.
What after you, what after you?
Yeah.
And then frankly I believe, Neha, when I'm not here, then I really don't know what
No.
after me. I really don't know. What can I do? All
Yeah.
I can do is, raise her beautifully till I'm,
Yeah.
alive. But if I'm not here, then who knows what after
Yeah.
me?
Yeah. True. True.
Exactly.
आप देखने के लिए नहीं हो, सोचने के लिए क्यों हो?
True. मतलब इतना नहीं सोच सकते हैं. I mean,
Yeah.
yes, that's the thing. But हाँ, मैं जो सोच सकती हूँ मैं वो सोचती हूँ कि जब तक मैं हूँ, I want Veda to come home and tell me each and everything, talk to me. She should enjoy my company. वो मुझसे बोर ना हो जाए बड़े होके. That's all I want. You're sorry, you're not audible here.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'd like to ask you something very simple.
Hmm.
What has been the most unexpected gift of this journey?
Oh my God. This journey is a gift if you see all together.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this journey is a gift. I was not this person. I was not supposed to be this person. I was not supposed to live here. I was not supposed to be here. मतलब
Hmm.
मेरी लाइफ तो मुझे ये लगा था कि ओ आई विल बी अ चाइल्ड फ्री पर्सन टिल आई एम अलाइव एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रैवल एज मच एज आई कैन और आई एम गोइंग टू बी दिस ब्लॉगर और लिव माय लाइफ. But I think this journey, Veda entering in my life is a gift already. I tell now I feel as I'm growing, like maybe I was lacking something. I needed some lessons.
Hmm.
Okay, it's karma. I believe in karma and we both have karmic connection. I mean, मैंने उसका कुछ देना होगा कुछ पिछले जन्म में या उसको कुछ होगा तो I think we got bonded over that.
Wow.
This journey is a gift. I don't see um, it sounds cliche but every day, not every day but yeah, week में 3-4 दिन तो I feel like मतलब ये क्या हो गया, how blessed we are, how blessed we
Hmm.
are. I
Hmm.
I I would say like we are not happy every day. It's a
Hmm.
messy journey. It's not a very happy, exciting journey, but still I feel how blessed we are. I mean, क्या हो सकता था मतलब who knows, but here we are. मतलब we are that blessed. I tell my husband like what we have done to receive this kind of love. ऐसा क्या किया हमने? I mean,
Hmm.
ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं हम ऐसा that we got such child who loves us like that. Of
Hmm.
course, then she puts us like on pedestal. Okay, guys, behave yourself. She also remind us, कि, okay, it's too much. Like how hard it is to be a child, to be a parent of a child with disability or a child with Down syndrome. So we have super hard days, but still we feel like कि हमने कुछ तो ऐसा किया होगा. We got this child.
Yeah.
कुछ अच्छा, not
Hmm.
बुरा, but कुछ अच्छा ही किया होगा. So I'm happy with this feeling.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
And finally, for my last question to you today, if there is a parent listening today, perhaps someone navigating adoption or raising a child with disability, and they are feeling alone, what would you want them to hear?
Hmm. First of all, it's okay to feel alone, right?
Hmm.
Because when you decide to go on a different path, nobody is going to be there for you. So it's okay to be alone. First of all, it's very common. Second, adoption and plus adopting a child with Down syndrome or having a child with Down syndrome. ये already इतना tough है that forget you will have people around you telling you कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा, because some people are going to be hard on you. So you have to understand your life has changed. Life won't be similar. Not like it's going to be bad, but it won't be similar. You have to accept, and also acceptance is also a process.
Hmm.
For lifetime you have to learn this behavior of acceptance. ये ongoing चीज है. Don't think कि मैंने accept कर लिया, अब मैं life जी सकता हूँ. Something else will come. You have to accept that as well. Second, find your people. बहुत जरूरी है. You have, if you're an adoptive parent, find a community, adoption community. If you have a child with Down syndrome, find a Down syndrome community. सुनो सबकी, करो वो what works for your child. सुनो तो सबकी, क्योंकि you are a new parent, you will have to, but करो वही what works for your child, I would say.
Yeah.
Third, just see your child. People see diagnosis first, people see adoption labels first. We have so many labels, adoption है, autistic है, ये है, वो है. See the child first. ये दो तीन चीजें हैं जो जर्नी को थोड़ा इजी बना देती हैं. But still, Neha, I would say I'm not the right person to tell, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I never got that feeling of listening to diagnosis or dealing with it. But उसके आगे का आई कैन हेल्प पीपल. आई कैन टेल देम कि ओके, अगर आपने एक बार एक्सेप्टेंस कर ली है, उसके बाद कम टू मी, टॉक टू मी, आई एम देयर, या टॉक टू पेरेंट्स और योर कम्युनिटी. बट एक्सेप्टेंस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू, मतलब खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. नो वन कैन जस्ट मेक यू बिलीव if you
Yeah.
don't want to.
Yeah.
But find your village, a new village, old village, but your village, who are going to be happy for you. You want that village. So community, tribe is very much important, and
Yeah.
especially women, find women. Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to find your woman, like your bestie or someone.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. I think that's relevant for, any parents, not just parents who are adoptive parents or raising a child with disability.
Yes,
Because anyway, parenting is so isolating, and then उसके ऊपर आप और conditions लगा दो,
exactly.
तो वो तो फिर अलग ही लेवल पे चले जाता है.
And I feel worse, like a parent with disability already going through that diagnosis news, and then
Yeah.
everyone around you tell ki how bad they feel.
Yeah.
They are feeling bad that your child has a diagnosis. तो इतना tough हो जाता है mothers के लिए, because when I meet such mothers, I feel so bad, because family जिनको सबसे पहले आगे आना चाहिए था कि it's okay, we are here, they are like, you know what, we are so sad. And so many are going to differ from this because maybe they're privileged enough, but everyone is not.
Yeah.
Because the kind of people I meet, सबको शायद मेरी बातें ऐसे लगती कि कविता ऐसा कहाँ होता है, but the people I meet, they come from rural places. They don't even have centers or therapy centers. कोई उन्हें बताने वाला भी नहीं कि intervention भी कोई चीज होती है, early intervention, medical intervention. So it's just so painful for such mothers. I feel bad for rural parents. They
Yeah.
have no one to guide.
Yeah. They have you.
I know, but I understand, yes, but फिर मुझे लगता है कि am I the right person? I don't know. I can't guide all of them. It's too painful to hear their story.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Because most of the time they don't even know their child has a diagnosis, and life will be different. Doctors don't even tell them, hello, your life is going to be different. Because they are expecting the same milestones, same achievements from a child with Down syndrome, which is not going to happen. And thankfully we have DS community. There is Down syndrome federation. They do weekly lives with parents, and then हमारे events होते हैं, yearly conference होती है to help such parents. I'm thankful.
Yeah.
So I'm here if parents are online. I'm here for online parents. For offline, there is a big federation doing work.
Yeah.
So that's really great.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Kavita, for sharing your journey with such honesty and openness. I think like for me also, conversations like this expand our understanding of family and remind us that love often grows in most unexpected and beautiful ways. So thank you for being here with us.
My pleasure, Neha. My pleasure. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I love to
Thank
talk about my child. Yes.
Yeah, we all do, but I think you are
Yes.
doing it with a purpose, you know. I think that's where lies the difference, because
Sure.
everybody loves to talk about their child, you know, like how great my child is, how beautiful my child is, look at my child. But to do that with a purpose, to do that with an intention of helping other people, I think it's just beautiful. It's just so, we
Thank
do it
you.
in a selfish way and you do it in a, I should say, a selfless way. So that's where, that's what brings in the
Thank
difference.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Matlab, you are so good with your words. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, my pleasure. And to everyone listening, thank you for spending this time with us. If this conversation moved you, please share it with someone who might benefit from hearing it. Follow Parenthood, subscribe to the show, and leave us a review. It helps these stories reach more people. You will find Kavita's Instagram channel and YouTube channel on our show notes. And until this next time, this is Neha signing off. Bye bye.